Hi everyone, welcome back to our kitchen. Today we're going to show you how to make a creamy and dairy-free Tuscan chicken pasta that is so delicious that you won't believe that it's dairy-free. This recipe is perfect for those who love the rich and creamy taste of the classic Tuscan chicken but prefer a healthy, lactose-free alternative. The secret ingredient is that we are using a blended raw cashews, which give the sauce a smooth and creamy texture without any dairy. Trust us, you won't know the difference in taste. So, let's get started. Start by adding 1 cup of raw cashews in a bowl. Pour enough boiling water to cover the cashews, then soak for 30 minutes. Then, discard the water. By the way, the soaking method helps to give the cashew more of a neutral flavor. Shake it off and transfer the cashews into a blender or food processor. Add half cup of water. Blend until the cashews are nice and creamy. You may need to add a little more water if the cashews are still a bit chunky. Transfer to a bowl and they are ready to be used for a Tuscan chicken dish. The cream may also be used as a salad dressing, soup, or dessert, just to name a few. Let's start by preparing the chicken. You will need about 8 pieces of boneless chicken thigh. Season both sides of the chicken with salt and fresh ground black pepper. Cook the chicken in a pan with 2 tablespoons of avocado oil over medium-high heat. Make sure the chicken is cooked thoroughly on both sides. Once the chicken are cooked, remove them and set them aside. To make the Tuscan creamy sauce, start by slicing 2 strips of bacon. Cook the bacon in the same pan over medium-high heat until they are nice and crispy. Next, chop 1 cup of onion. And saute the onions until they are softened for about 5 minutes. Add a tablespoon of oil to the center of the pan and add 4 cloves of minced garlic. Stir for a minute. Next, slice about 1½ cups of cremini mushrooms. Add them to the pan and cook until the mushrooms are nice and tender. Now it's time to add the cashew cream. Start by adding 2 tablespoons. Immediately add ½ cup of chicken broth and stir slowly. Of course, you can always easily add extra cashew cream and chicken broth to get the desired richness of the sauce. Next, we will add the seasonings. Let's start with 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, and 1 tablespoon of Maggi sauce. Then, mix thoroughly. Add ½ cup of sliced sun-dried tomato, 2 cups of fresh baby spinach. Continue cooking over low heat until the spinach has wilted. Then return the cooked chicken and allow it to cook for another 5 minutes. And there you have it, a delicious classic Tuscan chicken. And the best part is that it has no dairy products. Our favorite way to serve the Tuscan chicken is with some pasta and dairy-free cheese, and enjoy it while they are still hot. We hope you enjoyed this dairy-free recipe, and if so, please leave us a like. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our next quick, easy, and delicious recipes.